You'd be surprised what you can do when you limit yourself and really put your mind to it. Now, in the world of digital art and Procreate, I think you should limit the brushes you're using in Procreate.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And I'm going to tell you exactly why. Now, let's have a look at the screen here. I'm working on this piece currently. I'm about 2 hours into it. I'm drawing it from reference, from a photo of a statue. And the reason why I'm making this video is a lot of people get stuck in this trap of, I need more brushes. I need this brush pack to draw like that. I need this other brush pack to draw like that. I'm here to tell you today to stop all of that. There's nothing wrong with getting brush packs, but brush packs are not going to make you a better drawer. Trusting yourself and practicing with 1, 2, or maybe 3 brushes is going to make you the best artist you can be. Now let's have a look at this piece. I want you to have a guess. Tell me down in the comments how many brushes you think it took to create this piece here, and I'll tell you in just a minute exactly how many it was. Now let's break this piece down here. I do what I normally do. I work in different colors. So I've got a palette here, my sketch palette, and I've got about 6 different colors of red. And as I go through my layers, you can see here the first layer with just my shapes, and it was the lightest red. My next layer was a little bit brighter red, and I was starting to refine things a little bit here. And then my next layer, more refining, and the final layer, I'm coming through and I'm getting a little bit sharper with it. So now I'm going to tell you, this whole piece here was created with one brush only. Will I use other brushes in the end? Probably. I usually like to use 3 brushes when it comes to doing illustrative realism like this. I always use my 6B pencil, which is the brush I used here. And then I usually use a soft pastel as well. And then maybe a soft airbrush. But you can see here, by focusing on one brush and really starting with my shapes and then refining, it allowed me to focus on what I was actually drawing and get to a better place with that. So this is your homework. Get out there and pick one brush. It might be your soft pastel. You might start really big with that pastel and rough in your shapes. And then the next layer, you might make it a little bit smaller. The next layer, a little bit smaller. Size is your friend when it comes to brushes. It's going to give you variation, and it's going to allow you to create truly unique pieces. There's nothing wrong with having a lot of brush packs. I have a lot of brush packs. Let's have a look through here. A lot of these are ones that I bought or got off other artists over the years. I can easily see probably 20 brush packs alone, which each brush pack could have anywhere from 10 to 50 different brushes in it. But the point is, they didn't make me better at doing work like this. I did. I chose to simplify things, use 1, 2, maybe 3 brushes, and really focus on drawing itself. Get out there, give this a go. I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments below. Let me know what works for you when it comes to digital art on the iPad in Procreate, and just get out there and enjoy. Have fun drawing. It is truly such an amazing thing to do, whether you're drawing stick figures or crazy realism. It is all fun, and it's all doable inside Procreate. So get out there, either start drawing or keep drawing, and I'll catch you in the next video.